Hello guys, welcome to another CMM tutorial. This is about the Finow X5. So the Finow X5 is a pretty amazing and versatile smartwatch, but the battery life isn't too good out of the box. But luckily there is a way to fix it, and today I want to show you how to do that. So to fix battery life or to improve battery life, you simply have to install an application called Tasker. It's available from the Google Play Store and it's priced at just a couple of bucks. I guess everyone can afford that. So after you installed it, tap on it and open it up. And this app basically is some automation software, like for example Automator on Mac OS X from Apple. It's pretty useful. You can create conditions under which, if they apply, tasks are executed. So to save battery life, we wanna disable network access when we turn off the screen, but we still want to get notifications, so we have to enable it from time to time for a short period of time to synchronize all the apps and then disable it again, and that saves us a lot of energy. So to do this, simply create two profiles. So to do so, we click on this plus sign and then we select state, and then we get a selection menu, and here we click on display, and here we select display state and display state off. Now hit the back key, and as you can see, we can immediately create a new task connected to this state. So let's do that immediately. Let's do a new task and let's call it screen off. There we go, done. And now we've got our new task. So what we want to do now is to create some kind of loop that is executed for as long as the screen is off. So let's click on this plus. And we get again a selection menu, and here let's scroll down a bit, select task, and there we wanna do an if condition. So let's select if, and here we select the variable screen, which contains the state of our display of the device screen. Whoops, typo. Done. Here we go, and the value needs to be off. And for this to be working properly, you need to change the comparison to equals. There we go, equals. And now we can go back, and we've got the start of our if condition. And now we can fill it with things that should happen. So the first thing, when we turn off the screen, should be to turn off network. So let's go to net. Mobile data off, back, there we go, plus net, and we also want to turn off Wi-Fi in case it's enabled. So let's select Wi-Fi, off, back, there we go. So now we have disabled network, but what to do next? Well, we want to wait for a certain time, for example 30 minutes, which is just perfect in my case. So basically the notifications get synced every 30 minutes. So let's again select task, and from there we select wait, and here we scroll down to minutes, and there we select 30. There we go, and again back. So what to do after those 30 minutes? Well, of course we turn everything on again. So let's move to net again. Mobile data, this time choose on, go back, again at the plus, this time select again net, but select Wi-Fi now, again choose on and back. So now we have turned the data on. What to do next? We need again to wait for some time, because we want to give the apps time to sync. So to do this, we again need the wait thing here, and this time we don't need to take it that long. So let's just do 30 seconds. I tested it with a couple of different times here, from 30 seconds to 1 minute. And 30 seconds is kind of the best thing. It gives enough time to synchronize all apps and still saves pretty amazing amount of battery life. So let's go back now. So now we have Wi-Fi off, wait 30 minutes, Wi-Fi on, wait 30 seconds. So what to do next? Well, we need to go back to the top of the loop. So let's hit the plus sign again. Let's go to task and ooh, got some notifications there. Go to type top of loop and that's it. Go back, save it. And the only thing we need to do now is to end the if condition. That's necessarily, every one of you into programming knows that. So let's go to task and here we need to select end if. So let's go through that again. We have the start of the if condition with our variable screen off. We have set mobile data and Wi-Fi off. We wait 30 minutes. We set mobile data and Wi-Fi on. It will connect automatically in the background. We wait 30 seconds for the data to sync. And then we return to the top of the loop. So, next. Now, if you only do this, if you turn on the screen, this loop will still continue. So we need something to stop it, and we need something to turn data on again as soon as you turn on the screen. So for this, we need a second condition or a second profile. So again, hit plus. Here on the profiles page, then state. Here you go again to display state, but this time display state on. Go back and then do a new task. And obviously we call it screen on this time. So, whoops, let's do it. Screen on. Done. There we go. There is our new task. So now what to do? Well, the first thing we want to do once the screen turns on is to stop the task screen off we created previously. To do so, scroll down to task. Then select the stop feature and simply put the name of the task here, which is screen off. Done. Let's go back and save it. And then again plus. Now we turn on the network. So let's go to network. Choose mobile data, select mobile data on, go back, again the plus, network and Wi-Fi on, and go back. That's it, now we're done. That's really it, what you need to do. So let's test that a bit. Let's just close Tasker first, otherwise it won't work. Let's check if it's running. Yep, it's active. Got some notifications there, let's clear them. So to check network condition, let's swipe up on the watch face, and as you can see, Wi-Fi is now active. I currently have no SIM inside the watch because I'm testing the number 1D6 as well. So we can't test it with mobile networks right now, but we can test it with Wi-Fi. So let's turn the watch off. And now let's turn it on and check connectivity. As you can see, it's disconnected and now it's activating again. So this works, and also the thing with the background check after 30 minutes works perfectly fine. And this gives you an amazing battery life. The smallest amount of battery life I got was 1 day. but on average it's 1.5 to 2 days of battery life you get while still checking your notifications, getting your notifications, and doing something on the watch. So that's a pretty amazing workaround and really makes the Finow X5 a lot more useful and usable. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I hope you will love the Finow X5 as much as I do with this little trick. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Over and out.